Morning from McLarty Volkswagen here at 6030 Landers Road in North Little Rock. Today's tech tip is how to check your coolant. So we're going to go ahead and open the door, reach down here, release the hood release latch, come around here in front of the vehicle, go ahead and reach in the middle here and you'll see you pull up and the hood should latch up. And with the vehicle cool, you'll look down here and you'll see the minimum line. If it's below that minimum line, fill it up with specified Volkswagen coolant. To fill it up, you will slowly turn the cap. And you may hear a little sound, and that's releasing pressure. Once you have it off, fill it up to the minimum line, to the top of the minimum line, and you should be ready to seal the cap back on. Make sure you get it on good. And that's how you check your coolant. As always, you can visit us online at www.mclartyvw.com, on Facebook, Instagram. Check us out. Give us a call at 501-945-5353.